The handheld gaming market is evolving faster than ever, and ASUS is once again at the center of the conversation with rumors of the upcoming ROG Ally 2. The first ROG Ally proved that PC-level power in a compact device was possible, but it also left room for improvement in battery life, thermals, and software. Now, all eyes are on its successor, a device that could feature AMD's next-gen Zen 5 processors, RDNA graphics, and maybe even an OLED display. But the big question is, will the ROG Ally 2 truly be the most powerful handheld gaming console ever made, or will it struggle to stand out in a market crowded with the Steam Deck, Nintendo's next Switch, and Lenovo's Legion Go? In this video, we'll break down all the leaks, rumors, and insider details to find out if the ROG Ally 2 is the future of handheld gaming. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The handheld gaming market has gone through an incredible transformation in just a few short years, evolving from niche experiments into one of the most exciting battlegrounds in modern gaming. At the forefront of this revolution stands ASUS with its Republic of Gamers, ROG, lineup, and its ROG Ally handheld has already proven that powerful PC-level gaming in a compact form factor is not only possible but also highly desirable. Now, with growing buzz and speculation around the ASUS ROG Ally 2, the question everyone is asking is simple. Could this be the most powerful handheld gaming console ever made? To answer that, we need to look at the history of handheld gaming, the rise of the original ROG Ally, the competition, the leaks and rumors surrounding its successor, and most importantly, what it means for gamers around the world. Handheld consoles have always had a special place in gaming culture, going all the way back to the Nintendo Game Boy. What started as simple portable entertainment evolved into sophisticated machines like the PSP, the PS Vita, and of course the Nintendo Switch, which blurred the line between handheld and home console. But in recent years, a new wave of devices has emerged, driven by PC-level hardware and open platforms. Valve's Steam Deck showed that gamers were hungry for portable PC gaming, and ASUS quickly followed with the ROG Ally, offering Windows-based freedom, cutting-edge AMD hardware, and a sleek design that directly challenged Valve's dominance. The original ASUS ROG Ally received plenty of praise for its bright 1080p display with a 120Hz refresh rate, its lightweight yet premium design, and most importantly, the powerful AMD Z1 Extreme APU that delivered surprisingly high performance for such a small device. Suddenly, gamers were running AAA PC titles on the go, playing them at respectable frame rates without being chained to a desk or a bulky gaming laptop. However, the ROG Ally wasn't perfect. Issues with battery life, thermal management, software quirks, and pricing strategy prevented it from reaching its full potential. That's why anticipation for the ROG Ally 2 is so high, because ASUS has a real chance to refine the formula and claim the throne of handheld gaming supremacy. So, what do we actually know about the ASUS ROG Ally 2 so far? While ASUS has not officially announced the device at the time of writing, credible leaks and industry chatter suggest that development is well underway. Early reports point to several key areas of improvement. First, the heart of the machine, the processor. The Ally 2 is expected to feature AMD's next-generation APU, potentially built on the Zen 5 architecture with RDNA 3.5